Good morning, class 1 and 2. Today we are going to learn chapter festivals. Yes, so now we will learn what are festivals and types of festivals. What are national festivals and what are general festivals, right? Yes. So festivals is a special day when people are happy and then celebrate. Festival is a special day when people are happy and then celebrate. And India is known as land of festivals. Yes, we celebrate different types of festivals like Holi, Diwali, right? Yes. In India we celebrate many festivals. Yes, first one is Diwali. Diwali is festival of lights. Diwali, one of the most prominent Hindu festival of India. It is celebrated with a lot of pomp and show. During this festival of lights, houses are decorated with clay, lamps, candles, and Ashok leaves. People wear new clothes, participate in family puja, Ganesh puja, and burst crackers and share sweet with friends, families, and neighbors. It is the most popular festival in India. Diwali is festival of lights. Now, Holi. Holi is the favorite festival of children's, right? Yes. Holi, the festival of colors, also known as the festival of colors. Holi is one of the famous festival of India. It's celebrated with a lot of passion across the country. On the evening of Holi, people make huge Holika bonfires and sing and dance around it. Right? Yes. Next, Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. Yes, Christmas is the most important festival of Christians. Yes. So, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. And on this day, Lord Jesus Christ was born on this day. On Christmas, people go to church to offer prayer. They decorate the Christmas tree at their homes. Santa Claus brings gifts for children on Christmas. Like different types of gifts, right? Yes. So it is the important festival of Christians. Yes. Now, next important festival is Guru Purab. On Guru Purab, people go to Gurudwara with their families, and people go to Gurudwara in Golden Temple with their families. They pray to the Guru Granth Sahib. They also eat langar from a common kitchen, right? Yes, langar is a free meal served in a Gurudwara. Yes. Now next is Eid. Eid is a important festival of Muslims, and on Eid people wear new clothes and go to the mosques to pray. They wish each other Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. They eat a special sweet dish called Sevai. Right? Yes. On Eid, people wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray. They wish each other Eid Mubarak. They eat a special dish called Sevai. Yes. Now, the main or national festivals of India. The three main national festivals of India are Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August, and second one is Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th of January, and third one is Gandhi Jayanti, and it is celebrated on 2nd of October. Right? Yes. Yes, so now we talk about Independence Day. So Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year, and India became free from British rule on this day. That's why we celebrated Independence Day, right, on 15th August every year. Now Republic Day. So Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year, and India became a republic on this day. Now Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October every year. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Father of Nation, was born on this day. Okay, that's why Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Okay, thank you class.